Hello all, welcome to our channel. In this series of Constitution of India, we are looking into parliamentary form of government in India. And in the last session, we saw what is parliamentary form of government or parliamentary system. There are two houses, that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, and how many members are there and which articles they fall into. And now today we are looking into deep a little bit about Lok Sabha. So first of all, Lok Sabha is House of People or lower house and has 545 members with two nominees from Anglo-Indian community that are elected by President. 543 members are directly elected by citizens of India on the basis of universal adult franchisee representing parliamentary constituencies across the country, and 2 members are appointed by the President of India from Anglo-Indian community. Every citizen of India who is over 18 years of age has the right to vote, which comes under Article 326, irrespective of gender, caste, religion or race, and is otherwise not disqualified, is eligible to vote for Lok Sabha. The Constitution provides the maximum strength of House that can be of 552 members. So these are the number of members, and maximum it can withheld, maximum number is 552 members. It has term of 5 years. To be eligible for membership in Lok Sabha, a person must be a citizen of India and must be 25 years of age or older, mentally sound, and should not be bankrupt and should not be criminally convicted. So this is all about Lok Sabha. In the next session, we are going to look upon something of Rajya Sabha. So stay tuned to our channel for more such content. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel. Please press the bell button to get the latest video updates.